And what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll see how to edit or modify your images inside Dall-E. So I'll click on just upload an image, and here we need to upload an image. So let's say we will be uploading this image of cyberpunk style image. I'll just crop this one, and here you can see I can generate variations and I can edit this image. I'm gonna go with generate variations, and let's see if we click on generate variations, what type of variation of this image we get with the help of Dall-E. Let's wait a couple of seconds and let's see the results. So here you can see Dall-E has generated a few more images related to our previous one. You can see these images. These are not as great as the original one, of course, because they are created with the help of AI, but you can always go and click on variations and get a more better version of that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just showing you that we can get the variations with the help of the image. Also, what we can do is, if I go back to Dall-E, upload an image, I can erase stuff. For example, in this picture, just crop it to your liking. In this picture of a minion, crop, and let's edit this image. So when I click on edit this image, I get this eraser. So here you can see I have this mouse select, I have this pan option to pan, I have this erase option, I have generation frame, I have upload image, etc, etc. I'll just go with erase, and here you can see, so here you can see I can erase stuff inside an image, and Dall-E will add an area to that and make it feel like nothing was there. So for example, I want to erase this bear, teddy bear. I'll just erase this stuff like this, and after erasing this stuff, I want to fill this space with something related to minions. So I want to fill it with an arm, so basically it does not look bad. So what I'm going to do is Dall-E will do it for me. I'm just ask Dall-E about describe what is in here. I'll just ask Dall-E that this is a photo of a minion carrying a teddy bear. So this is basically a photo of a minion carrying a teddy bear, or I would just say a minion carrying a teddy bear. This will be enough. Let's click on generate, and basically I want Dall-E to add this extra space that I removed. So let's see what Dall-E comes up with. So here you can see Dall-E automatically added this arm over here, and if you can see, it has created 3 more results. So if I click over here, this is another result, the 3rd result, and the 4th result. Okay, so let's see which one looks better. I think the first one is good, but the last one is the best. So okay, so I'll just accept this. So here you can see we have created our image, and it looks really great. If you see over here, it is really great, and we have removed stuff from an image. So basically you can upload any of your images and you can try to remove it with the help of this awesome AI Dall-E tool. So here you can see that we have the download option to download the image as well. So if you click on this download button, you will be able to download the file just like that. So if I click over here, so you can see we have downloaded the file. So this is the after, and if I were to show you the before version, you can see this is the before of this image. So basically you can remove stuff from an image with the help of Dall-E.